Tilamok. Tilamonok. Oh, Kelsey, what's that? Moo. Baka meron. Ah, sarado pa, yeah.
Tapos na sila.
Yeah.
Hindi na sila nakamas dito, tsaka hindi naka-gloves. Dapat naka-gloves sila sa pagkain.
Ano na?
Packed and ready. Quality and checkpoint.
Wala na, sarado na sila eh. Weekend, pag weekday siguro.
When you arrive,
Ano yan? Tingnan mo kung ano yan. O cheddar cheese. O go. Let's go get some more. Let's go get it. It's free. Basta free kukuha tayo. Free. Let's Kelsey. I'll get for Kelsey. Huh? Huh? Yellow? Wala na. I got the yellow one. Huh? Huh? Donut. I can only get one. I got two each. Oh. Naiya ka pa. Paubos na yan eh.
hindi ako. Bumalik ka. Ikot ka doon.
Ah, wala na. Kuha na ako.
Oo, sabi ko yun.
You can eat it. It's free here.
So, may laman yung chan niya. Ayun, ano yun.
Wow, dog. You miss Laika?
Tignan nyo ha. Titignan ko lang yung nasa ref.
Kelsey, come here now. You want some?
How many like this?
No, it's for Mama. Yes? Ice cream. Okay, let's go get ice cream. Come here. Come here. Oh, done. See, people are lining up. We're gonna go there. We go there later. Okay. Where's Mama? Mama. Where's Mama? Mama. May mga brownie doon, no? May mga brownie.
May
Kita
mga?
mo? Yung brownie?
Saan?
Dos Mama, oh. Ayun, oh. Come here. Oh, take picture, take picture. Oh, smile like this, Kelsey. Smile. Cheese. Look at the camera. Cheese. Good job. Right here. Ito niyo. No fudge. Ice cream. Wala kayo. Kakain ako ng cheese. Masarap pag free. Doon na may hot fudge. Fudge. Yung hot sauce oh. Ayun oh. Pero mahal eh. Pero ang mahal.
Parang hindi masarap mo. Parang ayoko. Hindi tayo.
Oh, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Ayun nga tinakot.
Come on, come on. Kunin ako.
Ano yan? Hindi naman siya yun, di ba? Roasted red pepper, ginger, and garlic salsa.
Oh,
Parang
salsa
masarap
siya.
ah. Saan may papaano?
So, dip siguro ah.
Dip ba to?
Oh, Chelsea, put it back. That's it.
Para saan siya? Gusto ko malaman.
Sa ano ah, kung mga dip siguro.
Ah, tatanong.
Try mo.
I know it's salsa, but... This one is best for...
Yeah, you could put it on like a cracker.
Kelsey.
You could dip it.
Any kind of like chips or...
Yeah, I would do like a just like a pretty minimal like flavored cracker like that. On the property.
Daming cheese. Ah, okay.
You wanna try this one?
Huh?
Try?
Yeah.
Para siya sa biscuit doon. Di ba yung sa premium? Baka pwede siya dito na.
Anak, yung mukha ni. Tignan mo yung anak mo nilagay yung uso dyan sa loob. Oh my God. Ayan.